Hi guys! Welcome again to another ronTechPH tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict and prevent someone in opening the link of your files, but only the people and groups you authorize can open it on your Google Drive. But before we start, if you haven't watched yet my other Google Drive sharing tutorial, kindly click the pop-up notification right above or click on the link below at the description box. Also, kindly follow my Instagram account for more tech tutorial and lifestyle updates. Open your web browser, then type in Google Drive on your search bar. Or if you are using the Google Chrome browser, you can easily access it by clicking the Google Apps icon and click on the Google Drive icon and you will be redirected to the site. If you are now redirected to the site, choose the file or folder you want to be restricted. Right-click your chosen file and select Share. Or you can select the file you want, then click the Share icon right above. After clicking the Share icon, a dialog box will appear. Then click on the Get Link dialog box and change the Get Link option to Restricted. After changing the Get Link option, click on the Share with People dialog box, then tap into the Add New People and Groups and start typing all the people and groups you want to share your file with. In case you want to restrict your files to be downloaded, copy, print, edited, or to be shared by other people, by the people and groups you authorize with, go to the settings on the Share with People and Groups located on the upper right side of the dialog box. Then uncheck the box or disable the option that you want the people or groups you authorize to be restricted with. Reminder: please keep in mind that this kind of file restriction is only available with people or groups that has a Google Drive account. If you know that these email accounts are associated with a Google Drive, then click on Send. But to make sure that it is working, I'm going to send the link of that file to my another Gmail account that has a Google Drive account but doesn't listed with the people and groups who can open the file. As you can see on the screen, I cannot able to send the file link unless I add this email account to my authorized people and groups to open this link. But in case you share your files to a non-Google user or a Yahoo Mail user, I will show you what will happen. As we did earlier, follow all the steps that we did, but this time the people we are going to share our file with are those who doesn't have a Google account or using a Yahoo Mail account. As you can see, if we send an invitation to a non-Google Drive user or a Yahoo Mail user, there will be a pop-up notification that will appear warning us that if we send an invitation to a non-Google user or anyone holding this invitation will have an access to your file without signing in. If you are okay with those terms, then click on Share Anyway. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to keep you updated. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a nice day everyone.